Hello everyone, this is Ida from Retekess Official. Today I will show you our new arrival, the TR510 FM Transmitter. We developed the items for about 6 months and now it is done and we listed it today, and now I will show you how to use it. First we need to power it on, and then we need to press this key, power key. Press it, and in this way the screen will be light. You can see there are many details on the screen, such as the frequency, the audio, the Bluetooth, and the sound quality, such as stereo or mono. And this is for the phrases. And now I will show you how to use these keys to adjust the equipment. Such as this key, this is for to change the frequency. You can see that when you press it, it will be up. Each time is 0.1 megahertz. This is for down. Adjust it. And this key, 1, 2, 3, it is for preset the station. Such as I choose this frequency 76.9 megahertz. When you long press it, the light will be red. It means that you have keep the station, and there are 3 stations in all. Such as you choose the other, long press it and save it. Okay, when you press the key, the frequency will be changed to the previous one you saved. There are 3 stations. It is very convenient for you to save it. For this key, there are 2 ways to use it. If you short press it, you can see that the sound will be changed to stereo and the light will be red. If you press it again, short press, it will be changed to mono. Yes. And if you long press, you can see that the phrases have been changed to 75. And if you long press it again, it has been changed to 50. In China, you can use this state, but in your country you can change it to the 75. Yes, for this key, this is for if you use it for the USB flash drive, you can choose the last song or next song. And for this key, it is for stop. And this one is for the Bluetooth. You can see that on this screen it shows the BT. It means that for the Bluetooth. Because I have connected my phone with the FM transmitter, so the BT is shows BT on the screen and the light will be green. I will close it. When I close the Bluetooth, the light will be flash and the BT is flash again. It means that it has been connected with any tools. You can connect it. And you can see that the Retekess TR510 shows it in my phone, and I will connect it to connect. Yeah. Not flash again, and the BT is on the screen. It means I have connected successfully. And for this part, it is for the USB driver. You can connect it and broadcast the audio. For these 2 keys, it is for adjust the volume. This is for the audio volume, and this is for the mic. You can adjust it based on your needs. Okay, let me show you what is the keys on the back of the FM transmitter. You can see that there are keys, series 1, 2, 3, and when you put it on the one station, it means that the FM transmitter with the 1 watt. If you press it again, I mean that you have changed it to 3 watts, and if 3, it is the largest watts, 5 watts. In this way, the working range will be very long. Okay, for this part, it is for connect with the audio cable. You can connect with it with your mixer or the computer to broadcast the music, like this. Plug it, and there are the same pins on the cables. And for this kit, you can see that it is made for the mic. The big and the good features for this one is that you can connect 2 mics at the same time to broadcast. And yes, and this is antenna. You can see when you use it, you need to plug it all, and the length is about 28 inch. Yes, and to make sure that there is no obstacles around the FM transmitter, so the sound will be good and the working range will be long.